Imagine this: you're sitting on a spaceship, gazing out the window at a distant star. It's so close, you can almost reach out and touch it. But it's light years away, a seemingly impossible distance to cover. Is it possible for humans to ever travel to another star? Could we one day explore distant worlds and encounter alien civilizations? The challenge of interstellar travel. The nearest star to our Sun is Proxima Centauri, located about 4.2 light-years away. That means even traveling at the speed of light, it would take us over 4 years to get there. And that's just a one-way trip. The challenges of interstellar travel are immense. We'd need a propulsion system that could accelerate our spacecraft to speeds far beyond anything we've ever achieved. We'd also need to protect our crew from the harsh radiation and micrometeoroids of space. NASA's Breakthrough Propulsion Physics Program. But despite the challenges, NASA is actively researching technologies that could make interstellar travel a reality. One of their most promising programs is the Breakthrough Propulsion Physics Program. This program explores unconventional propulsion concepts that could potentially break the laws of physics as we currently understand them. Some of the ideas being investigated include warp drives. These hypothetical propulsion systems could create a shortcut through space-time, allowing us to travel vast distances in a relatively short amount of time. Alcubierre drives. This concept involves creating a warp bubble around a spacecraft, distorting space-time and allowing it to travel faster than light without violating the laws of physics. Solar sails. These spacecraft use the pressure of sunlight to propel themselves forward, potentially reaching incredible speeds. Nuclear propulsion. This technology involves using nuclear reactions to generate immense amounts of energy, which can be used to propel a spacecraft. The future of interstellar travel. While these technologies are still in their early stages of development, they offer a glimpse into the exciting possibilities of the future. It's possible that one day, we could be exploring the stars and discovering new worlds. But even if we don't achieve interstellar travel in our lifetimes, the research being done today is pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and technology. It's inspiring to think about what we might accomplish in the years to come. So, is NASA working on a spaceship that can travel to the nearest star? Yes, they are. And while the challenges are immense, the potential rewards are even greater. With continued research and innovation, we may one day be able to embark on a journey to the stars and unlock the secrets of the universe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.